All right, y'all, here's the minimum credit score or average credit score required for the following things. So buying a house, we see around a 620 to get those approvals. Obviously, you want a higher credit score than that to get better rates. Renting an apartment, we see an average of 620 to 650 to get those approvals. VA loan, there's actually no specific credit score requirement. An average, again, 620 can go as low as 500. A car loan, we see a good spread here. So used cars, an average credit score around 675. May go as low as around 600 to still get an approval. A new car loan, we see an average credit score of around 730. So remember, excellent credit gets you the better rates and lower payments. So average credit score or minimum necessary to get approved for a credit card. There's actually no minimum necessary. All credit cards are different, and there's actually credit cards for all types of situations. But to get approved for the good credit cards, the one with like cash back and travel bonuses, we see around a 670 and above. What about a bank account? Fortunately, you don't need a credit score to open a checking and savings account. What about electricity or other utilities without putting a deposit down? About a 580 to 600. And a cell phone. So a lot of cell phone companies consider under a 600 bad. So 600 and above. So there you go. That's the credit score minimum or average. In case you're looking to get anything on that list. Keep those credit scores healthy, guys.